Hello everyone, I am Pawan and today we have a gear that one of our client provided us for manufacturing. Unfortunately the gear is broken, so we will take its dimension and create a digital model in SolidWorks. This will enable our manufacturing department to produce an identical. So let's get started. So let's open assembly. Okay. Open SolidWorks library. In the library, select power transmission and select spur gear. Gear specification: the module is 4, number of teeth 178 and face width is 40 mm. The nominal shaft diameter is 510, but we have 500 maximum in the option, so we will deal with it later. Now we can also add description here, description of the gear. Okay. Now we will fix it with the mates for the correct orientation. So we will mate the gear with the planes. So we fixed the gear here. Now let's save it as a part file. So save as part file. The name is per gear. We'll select the folder. Okay, save. Close this. Now open the spur gear that we have saved. Now select the face, sketch, circle, 510, feature extrude cut up to next. Okay. Now again sketch, circle, extrude cut, line, it is up to 20 mm. Okay. Now select the back face. We have a counter board on the back side, so select this face, right click, horizontal, the dimension is okay. Exit the sketch. Now select M8, counter board, M8, up to next. And place it here. Okay. Add this sketch. Now circular pattern. equal spacing, 12 number of Now the gear is ready. Okay. Now make drawing from this part. Okay. Select the part and view, right view, top view. Okay. The isometric view. The face width. Okay. Section view of this part. Okay. Above this. Okay. The internal diameter. Okay. Let's enlarge the size. Okay, it's okay. It's good now. The outer diameter. Okay. The depth. Now hole call out. So we have 12 numbers. Okay. Now the PCD of the holes. PCD is pitch circle dia. Now we will make note for better understanding. Now save the file. Save as spur gear. Rebuild and save. Now save this as PDF. Okay. PDF. Okay, thank you.